What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here is DJT in the race to sell. If you're still holding this stock, ladies and gentlemen, you may want to consider walking away due to the fact that this thing has a lot of more room to run to the downside. In fact, we are in a total buy the hype, sell the news phase. We should be falling sub $26 here before the week is over with, and that is why you want to have those put options. A put option that you may want to consider here on the day, ladies and gentlemen, is that 1108 out of the money put, and you're looking for that $28 strike, okay? It's currently going for 33 cents. I feel as though that this contract, ladies and gentlemen, is going to fetch at least a 50% gainer before the end of the day tomorrow. So you may want to check out this contract. Again, it's the 1108 expiration for the $28 strike price. Currently going for 33 cents. Now, the reason why we are currently in a race to sell here in DJT, like I told you guys before, DJT isn't a fundamentally sound stock at all. In fact, retailers were only buying this thing for the sole purpose of a pre-presidential election run and hoping that we will see a run after DJT gets elected. And since we are now the day after the results of the election, ladies and gentlemen, we broke through this mid-Bollinger Band here on the day chart, which is a major bearish flag. We may ultimately be returning towards sub $20 levels before the month is over with, even though that Donald Trump is now going to be the president. Now, with that being said, we do expect another pop here pretty soon, and that is in January, ladies and gentlemen. Once he actually takes office, we do expect to see another pop here in DJT, maybe even a pre-inaugural rally here we may actually see take place in DJT. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we will see another run just in January. So this thing is going to take a back seat for me, and I think it should for you. But again, check out those put options. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out Palantir, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're still here with me, if you hold Palantir stock, let me know in the comment section below. As you all know, I did give you guys a easy money call option play for Palantir for earnings, which was that $47 strike call, of course, for the expiration of 1108. When I put this to you guys, it was at 99 cents. The following day, it dropped down to 92 cents. And here today, ladies and gentlemen, that exact same call contract, $47 strike, is going for, oops, that's the put. Sorry about that. That exact same contract, ladies and gentlemen, is going for a hefty over $8. Let me just give you a hint on that. But it's totally going for $8.63. And that is what you call a home run play. And ladies and gentlemen, we have even more easy money options alerts for you guys coming up here today. And if you will be interested in these option alerts, can you please comment in the comment section below, interested? I want to see if it is even a watching audience that is interested in these option plays. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, I do have a we have a $64 price target here for Palantir before the end of this current quarter. Like I told you guys before, we expect to see a earnings rally, post-earnings rally here in PLTR, just off of the past experience that we got from the previous quarter. With that being said, we beat this earnings, and we expect to see this exact same trajectory for this quarter. Honestly, my $64 price target is kind of on the low side. We can see levels between $64 and $72 here in Palantir before this quarter is over with. With that being said, the next quarter expectations is even higher. So if we do beat those, Palantir may be a triple digit stock. I repeat, a triple digit stock before the summer of next year, ladies and gentlemen, due to the fact that the expectations is only getting higher and Palantir is only beating them expectations by even a wider margin than before. Not only that, the government contracts that is coming out left and right for Palantir is only showing the growth and demand for Palantir, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, this is a nice long-term buy if you ask me. In fact, if you do feel as though that Nvidia may be inflated, even though that Palantir is in a separate sector, I do feel as though, as far as big tech, Palantir is going to be standing next to Nvidia far as growth, potential growth here within the next 3 years. I do feel as though that Palantir has the second highest, most potential growth in between Nvidia and the other Mag 7. All right, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that Palantir should be within the next 5 years, we're going to be calling it a Mag 8. How about that? So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.